The 18th edition Wiring Regulations online course, City and Guilds 2382, is aimed at everybody in the electrical industry. You need a basic understanding of electrical circuits to take this course. This course is all of the rules and regulations that we must follow as electricians to make sure that all of our circuits are installed correctly. During the course, you will learn how to navigate the Wiring Regulations book, working through read content and finishing with mock exams, which are similar in style to your final City and Guilds exam. This course has 20 hours of recommended learning time. However, this can be split up and done over a period of time that suits you. When you are ready, you can book your exam to sit at home using the City and Guilds remote invigilation service. It's an open book exam consisting of 60 questions to be completed in 2 hours. We recommend this course to anyone interested in working in the electrical industry, and it is a requirement to join a competent person scheme or apply for an ECS Gold Card. For more information, please refer to our courses page or give us a call so we can answer any further questions you may have.